On this first day of the new year 2018, I bring good tidings and express warmest greetings to our people, relatives, friends and visitors from abroad who have joined us for the festive season. Let us praise God for His mercy, for He has been the ultimate reason why this country has survived the turbulences of this past year. I would like to acknowledge with gratitude the hard-working public servants, private sector and the local communities whose efforts, sheer determination and commitment have led to the manifestation of many accomplishments for Samoa. The completion of the Leone Bridge in June has enabled the busy commuters to use that section of the road to connect to Apia, which has helped to ease congestion on the beach road during the busy times of the day. The second phase of the integrated aviation project involving the new arrival lounge for the Whaneolo Airport is almost complete. This is the final phase of this new terminal, which will include modern facilities for the comfort of traveling passengers, as well as facilitating bigger aircrafts, bringing more tourists to our shores. Our domestic and international connectivity would be strengthened with the landing of the Tuilaepa cable at Mota'a in October of 2017. This is the culmination of successful negotiations and speedy preparations between the government and the Alcatel submarine networks, which began in November 2016. The Tuilaepa cable will bridge the digital divide for our people and our neighboring island nations, promote economic and social developments, and provide Samoa with access to fast, reliable, and affordable wholesale broadband internet. This is a vital progression towards effective connectivity that will further strengthen education and health, trade, employment creation, and information sharing. It has been 12 years since Samoa ceased operations as an airline service provider. In November of 2017, the Samoa Airways was launched and has since been burning the sky, flying to New Zealand and Australia. Our partnership with Virgin Australia over the last 10 years had taught us that it is crucial for Samoa to own and manage its own airline. Twice, we joint venture with major international carriers, and twice they failed us. The former Yasaki Samoa compound has reopened for business with the opening of two New Zealand-based companies, Ferro and Sleepwell operations in Samoa. When Yasaki Samoa announced its closure in 2016, people were worried of what the future holds for them. However, just a month into the closure of Yasaki, Ferro and Sleepwell had begun their operations, providing 120 immediate jobs, with the first joys given to those who were employed by Yasaki. The companies had undertaken that by 2020, 500 more jobs will be available. God has certainly responded to our prayers. In terms of Samoa's foreign relations, 2017 has been an important year. Samoa assumed the chair of the Pacific Forum Leaders Meeting, as well as host to this annual event with well over 1,500 participants attending. Samoa's introduced theme of the Blue Pacific seeks to consolidate the Pacific as a blue continent and emphasizes the importance of a unified region with a collective voice in recognition of their shared ocean identity, geography, and resources, which is what defines Pacific peoples and is the source of transformative potential. Samoa has been in the forefront of promoting the forum agenda, which encourages members to engage more closely and strategically to advocate foreign policy priorities affecting the Blue Pacific in order to influence actors, partners, and agreements in a way that supports the agenda. Furthermore, the forum strives for open and genuine relations and inclusive and enduring partnerships within our region and beyond. Samoa has consistently promoted this position at the international events we had participated in 2017, such as the United Nations Oceans Conference, the 23rd Conference of the Parties on Climate Change, the Korean Pacific High-Level Dialogue, as well as the United Nations General Assembly. Enabling greater Blue Pacific connectivity will promote trade both within our region and globally, and will allow greater mobility of our people to access employment around the region. I would like to express our gratitude to our development partners, including Australia, China, European Union, Japan, New Zealand, and the United States, as well as the key international organizations supporting our efforts, including the World Bank, the Asian Development Bank, the International Monetary Fund, and the United Nations agencies. Last week, His Highness the Head of State offered Christmas greetings and encouragement to our people to live in peace and in love. In this connection, I appeal to all our people to come together in our scheduled week of prayer and fasting, commencing today, the first day of the year, to seek God's divine blessings for this country. We plead the blood of our Savior, Jesus Christ, over Samoa, casting down every stronghold of the devil's advocate. Let 2018 be a year of fulfillment of God's will for our country. I wish every family and the people of Samoa a glorious and safe New Year. Happy New Year. So forth.